Hi everyone, so in today's video I am going to be talking about the top 5 digital marketing courses in Philippines. So the first institution in my list is IIM Skills. This is one of the top institutes to learn digital marketing from, and it was founded by Mr. Webb of Kakkad in 2015. Now they offer 3 digital marketing courses: the Digital Marketing Expert course, the Digital Marketing Master course, and the Digital Marketing Strategist course. Now the average duration of this course is about 6 months and the fees is about 700 US dollars. Now the best part about this course is that they offer full refund if you do not like the course. You just have to write them a detailed email on what you don't like about the course and they will give you a full refund. And also, not a lot of institutes provide this feature, but they provide you a lifetime access to their resources and materials, so that if anything changes in the digital marketing world after a few months or a few years, you will still have access to it. Now the next institute in my list is DMI, which is the Digital Marketing Institute. It is one of the top most and renowned institutes to provide digital marketing courses, and they have 2 digital marketing courses. One is a professional diploma in digital marketing and the second is a master's in digital marketing. Now the fees of this course is about 1400 US dollars to 11,000 US dollars approximately, and they also provide a globally recognized certificate and a 14-day guarantee, wherein within 14 days of enrollment, if you do not like the course, they will give you a full refund or solve your problems. Now the next institute in my list is Simply Learn, which is one of the best institutes to learn digital marketing from, and they have 2 courses. It's a PG in digital marketing and a specialist course in digital marketing. So the average duration of these courses is about 8 months and the fees is between 600 US dollars to about 1200 US dollars approximately. So the best part about their institute is that they provide practical hands-on experience to their students so that they can be job ready by the end of this course. Now the next institute in my list is Great Learning. This is one of the best institutes that you can have for learning digital marketing, and they provide a post-graduation in digital marketing for about 6 months and the fees is approximately 1500 US dollars. So this institute provides live interactive classes with practical approach, with a lot of case studies for the students to solve and work upon, so that they can have good experience in the digital marketing field, not just theoretically but also practically. They also provide services such as resume building and mock interview preparations, so that the student can be job ready by the end of their course. So the last but not the least institute in my list is MICA, which is one of the topmost institutes providing digital marketing courses. It has collaborated with Upgrad and it provides an advanced certification in digital marketing with a duration of about 8 to 12 months, and the fees of the same is about 1200 US dollars. They have a top-notch faculty with over 10 years of experience in the same field, and they also provide services such as resume building and personal feedback on the interviews, on the mock interviews, so that the students are confident enough to go out in the world and get a job, and they do guarantee that you get a job by the end of this course. So that's it for today's video. I will see you in the next video with more such information. Till then, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.